Hey guys, welcome back. So it is really late right now. I need to be in bed, but I wanted to do a quick hair review because I am just loving this hair that I got from Black Hairspray, and I think my makeup is like looking good and I'm not ready to take it off, although it's 1:21 in the morning. But yeah, so this is Bubble Metal, and this is what the stock car looks like. I have it in OT99J. So yeah, I'm loving the curls. I just love everything about this unit. I haven't been getting any shedding. Well, I did get some shedding, but I did cut the lace really close to the hairline. But after like a day, the shedding stopped. So I'm pretty sure that's because I cut the lace so close. But yeah, I'm not really getting much shedding anymore. And as far as tangling, not really getting any of that. I do feel like it might tangle. You know, there are some curls, and these synthetic units, they tend to tangle anyway. But this is a short bob unit, so the tangling isn't really going to be bad on something like this. And yeah, this is the parting space. I did go and tweeze it just a little bit, but you really don't have to. I just wanted to tweeze it a little bit more to open it up some, but the parting space was pretty good. So yeah, and I just went and put some powder in it to make it look more realistic. But I'm definitely loving this hair. And I'm trying to show you guys the back, but you can kind of see it in the mirror. The curls go all the way around, and it does get shorter in the back. Maybe if I just turn the camera. There we go. You can see it. It's really nice. So there really isn't much to say about the unit because it's just a put it on and go. You don't have to put a lot of work into it. You know, like I said, if you want to tweeze it to open it up some, put some powder and you're out the door. So I just love units like that. And I kind of feel like this might be my go-to unit because I'm definitely loving it. Now, as far as the texture, guys, it is more on the, you know, silkier side, as you can see. And I don't know if it's just my lighting that's making it look shiny, but I didn't have to go and dull down the color at all. I don't think you need to do that with this unit. It's definitely not a yucky texture, as you can see, but you know, I have no issues with that because I'm not crazy about those like really yucky units. They tangle too much. And yeah, I'm loving this one a lot. I definitely recommend it. I will have the links for it in the description box if you want to check it out. And I do want to thank Black Hairspray for sending me this unit to share with you guys. I'm loving it. It's so pretty. Definitely my style. You guys know my signature look is like the bobs, although I've been like playing around with hair a lot lately. But yeah, the signature look for me is definitely the bobs. I love bobs. I don't care for a lot of hair all over my neck, but yeah, sometimes I like to, you know, just play around in different styles. But yeah, now that I have that out the way, I want to tell you guys about this app because I'm about to, you know, take some selfies while I still look, you know, slayed. But I wanted to tell you guys about this app. It's called Apphi. Okay, so this is the app. When you first go into it, this is what you will see. Now, this app lets you schedule posts automatically on Instagram, which is so great because when I'm uploading a video on YouTube, I like to post on Instagram at the same time to let you guys know that I just uploaded a video. And don't mind the screen, guys. I cracked it as usual. But anyways, this is what you will see when you first go into the app. At the top is where you will link your accounts. So if you have more than one, and then you will just link them here at the top. So at the top, you will have all of your scheduled posts. I don't have any scheduled right now because I want to show you guys how to do it. And then on this side, you will have all of your posts that actually scheduled. It'll like save it on this side, but we're going to go and schedule a post. So you go down at the bottom, it says schedule post. You can choose where you want the photo to come from. So we're just going to go to my photo library. And let's do this one. I'm going to show you this one. Okay, you just pick the picture, hit next. Of course, you can do the widescreen or landscape as well. And also, you can pick more than one picture, just like on Instagram. So if you want to pick 2, 3, whatever. But we're just going to do one. Hit next. And then just like with Instagram, you can go and add some filters. Now the filters aren't going to be exactly the same, but they do have a selection. I'm not too crazy about filters, so I don't, you know, put any on my photos. But yeah, you can add a filter and hit next again. And you go and put in your caption. Now, what I love so much about this is that you can actually save captions. I have mine saved from when I, you know, posted previous pictures, and if you want to just have like a general caption that you want to put, like enjoy your day, loves, or good morning, whatever you want to put, then you could just go ahead and hit that. So it'll show your caption history and your saved captions and hashtags on this side. And we're just gonna do enjoy your day, loves, just so I can show you guys. But you can also just type in whatever you want. You can tag people on here. Let's see, I got the jeans from Ross, so we're gonna put Ross, and it will search it, the company and everything. It'll search. The hair is from Black Hairspray. That's the same hair that I just showed you guys when the video started. Yep. So we're just gonna hit save, and let's see, you can add your location, and you can also do an add first comment. So if you don't want to put like hashtags in your caption, you can just go ahead and do it in the comments, and it'll be the first one on your page before anyone else comments. So that's another way you can do it, so that you don't have like a really busy looking caption with all of the writing. But yeah, you can go ahead and do that as well, but I'm not gonna do that right now. I just want to show you guys that you can do that. And we're just gonna hit next. So on this screen, you have your time zone, the time you want to post, the delete time if you don't want that post to stay forever. So let's pick a time. Let's do Saturday at 8:30 a.m. And if you want to delete it, you can do that as well. You'll just, you know, pick the time and the date. And this here is a really nice option. You can add advertisers. So if you like make money on Instagram and you're working with companies and they're paying you through Instagram, then you can set that up on here as well. I've never worked with a company, you know, paying me on Instagram, so I don't know exactly how that process goes. But if you are familiar with that, then it's on here, as you can see. So that's a really nice option. But once you're done, you'll just, you know, hit done at the top. So there you have it, guys. That is how you can easily post on Instagram automatically. I want to give a big thanks to Apphi for collaborating with me on this video. I am definitely loving this app. And this is really great for me because sometimes when I schedule my posts to go live on YouTube, it's during hours where I'm like busy and I can't get to my phone to go and create my Instagram post as well. So being able to just schedule it automatically is just so helpful. I don't have to worry about, okay, let me remember to go on Instagram and let you guys know that I have a new video up. Yeah, I'll just have it done automatically, and I love it. I love it so much. I definitely recommend this app, guys. Definitely. So that's going to be it for this video. Just wanted to share a couple of things with you guys before I go to bed. If you enjoyed watching, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you'll do so. That'll be so awesome. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.